Hello students, I'd like to show you the website worldcat.org today. So just go up to your address here and type in www.worldcat.org, and this is the screen it'll bring you to. If you look over here, you can search for everything: books, DVDs, CDs, and articles. So today I want to pretend that we have an assignment. We have to write a report on how kids need to eat healthy, make healthy choices. Okay, so I'm going to go into my search box right here, and I'm going to search for books about health and fitness for kids. I'm going to click on search books, and this screen opens up, and you can see right here I have 506 books that came up. If I go over to formats, I only want print books, so I'm going to deselect all the other options here. And that brought my count down to 455. So I want to refine my search a little bit more. So I would like to have the most recent books. So I'm going to click on 2015, and that gives me about 30 books. And my audience is going to be juvenile. So if I click on juvenile, now I'm down to 3 books. Why Kids Make You Fat and How to Get Your Body Back, Start Sweating, A Kid's Guide to Being Active, and You Want Me to Eat That? A Kid's Guide to Eating Right. So this is the book that I'm interested in. As you can tell as I go over it, it is a link, so I'm going to click on it. Here I have a cover of what the book looks like. I have the title, the author, the publisher, series, etc. If I go down here and type in my zip code and click on Find Libraries, it will give me a list of the nearest libraries that have this book. So here, Worcester Library is about 21 miles away. And the further I go, I have more pages here, the further I go, the more of a distance that library is. Okay, so if I go back to page 1, I look at Worcester Public Library, I can get library information, I can search, I can ask a librarian, there's many options. It also shows you places you can buy this book and how much it costs. And down here's the details for the book. So it has the ISBN number, how many pages, colorful illustrations, things like that. At the very bottom, it shows if it's been reviewed. You can add a review and similar items. So back up at the top here, say we choose this book and we read it, and there's information in it that we want to use for our report. Well, now we need to know how to cite this book. So another great thing about this website is it shows you how to cite it. So you come over here and it says cite/export. So if you click on that, you see there's many different formats of citing. So we want to use APA. So I'm going to click the little plus next to APA, and it shows me my author's last name, first initial. There's actually 2 authors, so they have them there. We have the publishing date in parentheses with a period after. We have the title of our book, and it's in italicized, and it uses sentence capitals, so only the first letter is capitalized, the rest is in lowercase. But I have a feeling that some of that information might be missing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to Purdue OWL. So if you type in owl.english.purdue.edu, it'll bring you to Purdue OWL Online Writing Lab. And you can come over here and click Reference List for Books, and it'll show you the correct APA format for books. So here we have our author, comma, the name, the first initial, period, year of publication, period, make sure that's in parentheses, and then the title of the work, again, only the first word is capitalized like a sentence, but then after that it has location and publisher. So you do have to be careful when you use different websites, because even though some of it is in the correct format, some information may be missing. So Purdue OWL is a great website to keep in mind. So I'm going to go back here, and seeing most of this is correct, I'm going to highlight it and hit Command C to copy it. I'm going to go to my document where I have my references. I'm going to hit Command V and paste it. And as you can see, it underlined the whole thing. So we're going to undo that. Okay, so we have our author, we have our publishing date and period, we have the title, but as you remember, according to Purdue, we're missing the location and publisher. So I'm going to go back to WorldCat. I'm going to close this box and look for my publisher. So here's the location with the colon and the publisher. So I'm going to select this, hit Command C to copy. I'm going to go back to my document. I'm going to put a space. I'm going to hit Control V. So there's the rest of it. So now I'm going to highlight the whole thing, put it all in the same format and the same size. Okay, now the other part you need to do when you put a citation in is you need to change your tabs. So I want my lower tab to come here, my upper tab over here. So if I select this and I bring this one over and this one back, you want to have the second line indented. So that's how you do that. So I hope that helps you with your citations. Thank you.